everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures again, and today I'm here at Universal Studios Orlando to check out the soft opening of VillainCon. This is the brand new ride here in Minions Land. It just had a surprise soft opening. We're gonna go check it out. I'm gonna cover all that I can cover in there, and I'm gonna take you along with me. Let's go do this. This is the new one. Loving the signs in here in the queue. Malicious motors, drive it like you stole it. Corrupt companions, adopt a furry friend today. These are pretty cool. The henchman one, because not everyone is a mastermind. It's pretty cool theming all the way through. The signs are really funny. So we are going to be firing the Eliminator X today in this ride to try to join the Vicious Six. I think I can do it.
Mama's not gonna let you Fingerprint resistant coating, so you never get caught. Holds up to 10,000 rounds and 10,000 songs. The Eliminator X. From rotten, evil to the core.
Everyone who's anyone from anywhere is here inside VillainCon. But the question on every baddie's lips is who will be the new member of the Vicious Six? Rides, kickbacks, villains will do whatever it takes to get the game. Luckily, here at VNC, we've obtained an exclusive message from the V6 themselves. Let's take a look.
Attention, evil doers. The Vicious Six is giving you a chance to show your stuff right here at VillainCon. We're looking for the worst, most destructive villain to join our crew. Want that to be you? Well, whoever scores the most points will be our new member. Are you fast enough for Stitches? Clever enough for Jean-Claude? Sharp enough for Knuckles? Wild enough for Stronghold? And groovy enough for me? Prove it! Pick up your Eliminator X and show us how much destruction you can do. Can you dig it?
Unbelievable! You lucky snips have the chance to compete and become the newest member of the Vicious Six! Oh, it might be you! And you get one of these. An Eliminator X from Rotten. They're sold out everywhere, but the V6 has them. Blast everything in sight to score points and win the challenge. All right, let's go live to the floor and see how the attendees are reacting.
Now my wedding shoes.
All right, it's a very cool queue in here. We are heading onto the ride. It's a soft opening, so there's no recording in there. I will let you know all about it on the flip side. Time to go get our Eliminator X and get our villain on. All right, so we just got off the Villain Con ride, and it's kind of interesting. You're standing on a conveyor belt through there, and you're standing on a dot, and it kind of turns you this way and that, and you're seeing screens, and you're firing at screens. You've got the gun in your hand, and it's actually a pretty big gun, and it's heavy, and you have two different triggers you can pull. One has unlimited ammunition, and it's like machine gun fire, and the other launches grenades at targets. I actually got 900,000 points on this. I don't know if that's good or not, but it kind of will wear you out a little bit throughout the course of it. It's kind of hard to tell what you're aiming at to start with, and then you just got to kind of figure it out. But it's a lot of fun. I can see how it's going to move people through real fast because it's just constantly moving. It's an omni-mover style shooter, and you don't have to load and unload on a ride vehicle, so it should be able to move pretty fast. It was a lot of fun. Now we're in here in the Villain Con gift shop, because of course you exit into the gift shop, and we're going to take a look around. Of course you can get your very own Eliminator X, though this is actually quite a bit smaller. You can see how it is to my hand. It's actually quite a bit smaller than the one you use in the ride. You can get all your Villain Con gear, your Minions gear. You can get you a Minion. Villain Con hats, shirts, shot glasses. The orange and black scheme will also work for, you know, an optional Halloween Horror Night shirt if you're coming for more than one night or you're doing a change of clothes.
Alright, who's out of here?
Villain Con. More Villain Con hats, shirts. Tough chick. Security. is really cool, and I will try to cover it a little bit more whenever we can actually videotape on the ride, if you ever can. Although I think it would be hard because you need both hands to use your Eliminator X gun, and I can't see how you would film while doing that, but it is fun. You should check it out. It's a soft opening. I'm sure they'll do a grand opening soon, and maybe some things will change. But if not, I'll catch you next time. This quick little look at the Villain Con ride here at Universal Studios Minions Land. See you later.